Forgotten your Xfinity Wi-Fi password or want a more secure network? We've got you covered. Here are all the ways to update it. Let's get started. Method 1. Using the X1 voice remote Xfinity Gateway users. If you have an Xfinity Gateway, press and hold the microphone button on your voice remote and ask, "What's my Wi-Fi password?" Your network name and password will appear on the screen right away. Method 2. Using the Xfinity app. Open the Xfinity app and go to the Wi-Fi tab. Select your network, then tap Edit Wi-Fi Settings. Enter your new password and tap Save to apply the changes. Important note, if you use Xfi pods or have Wi-Fi intelligence enabled on your account, you can only change your network name and password through the Xfinity app. The edit options in the admin tool may be disabled. Method 3. Using the admin tool, Advanced Users. Connect your computer, phone, or tablet to your network. Open a web browser and go to http 10.0.0.1 to open the admin tool. Click Login. The default username is admin and the default password is password. If you previously changed these credentials, use your updated login instead. From the left menu, select Gateway, then Connection, then Wi-Fi. Under Private Wi-Fi Network, you'll see your current network name. Click Edit to change your password, then click Save Settings. Tip: if you can't access the admin tool, open the Xfinity app, go to the Wi-Fi tab, select View Wi-Fi Equipment, then Advanced Settings, and enable Admin Tool Online Access. Save the changes and try again. Forgot your password completely? You can reset your gateway to factory defaults by pressing and holding the reset button for 30 to 45 seconds until it restarts. Then log in using the credentials on the label on the back of your device and set a new password from there. We hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.